Cool. At the equator, the Earth is spinning over 1,000 miles an hour. Now.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Professor Smart. With the help of science advisors, talented teachers, music composers, and theatrical directors, he has developed Professor Smart's Fun with Physics show. Using his circus and comedy skills, he teaches physics concepts to kids in ways even the teachers and parents will understand.
Was that fun? Don't hit the professor, Samantha. Now your chin.
Well, Professor Smart, let me tell you, when you wear your mask, it is the forces of gravity that weight, pounds, ounces, kilograms of weight.
Whoa, smart kid. Get the knees together. Perfect. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Uh-oh, Samantha. I think you put a hole in the roof. On the Earth is anyone can be a scientist, anyone at all. It doesn't matter whether you're young or you're old. Teachers, don't give up yet. Here's the thing. If you want to be a scientist, you need to use your imagination and ask yourself a question. Not too hard. The second part is you need to figure out your answer to your question through observation or experimentation. Not too hard. Now the third part, the hard part, is you need to prove your answer to someone else. This whole thing is called scientific method. Now I think that's cool enough to deserve a little hand clapping out there. Well, thank you. Whoa! You say, how did you do that?
Inside this little box right here is a roller that is fuzzy like the top of my head. It's covered with felt. Inside this plastic tube, plastics and insulator, is a rubber band going up and down for a belt. Rubber balloon, rubber band, same sort of thing. Inside this globe right here is a wire screen that actually catches the electrons as the rubber band goes over the top roller. You can see it right here. Right there. When everything's working correctly, anything that touches this globe gets a charge of excess electrons like our next volunteer.
The Fun with Physics show has been performed thousands of times in theaters, schools, and at special events. This show incorporates exciting visual demonstrations that bring science to life. Using a dozen volunteers each show, it is a great time, whether it is in a grand theater that seats 3,000 or just 300. Along with the science show comes great pre- and post-show study materials. Professor Smart is wild and crazy, and you just might learn something. You, your teachers, and your kids will love this show.